A dark cave in the middle, a cauldron boiling. Thunder. Enter 3 witches.
Thrice the branded cat hath mewed.
Thrice and once the hedge pig whined.
Harpier cries, "'Tis time, 'tis time!"
Round about the cauldron go.
In the poisoned entrails throw.
Toad that under cold stone.
Days and nights as 31.
Sweltered venom sleeping gut.
Boil thou first in the charmed pot.
Double, double toil and trouble.
Fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Fillet of a finny snake.
In the cauldron boil and bake.
Eye of newt and toe of frog.
Wing of bat and tongue of dog.
Adder's fork and blind worm's sting.
Lizard's leg and howlet's wing.
For charm of powerful trouble.
Like a hell broth, boil and bubble.
Double, double toil and trouble.
Fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Scale of dragon, tooth of wolf.
Witch's mummy, maw engulf.
Of the raven, salt sea shark.
Root of hemlock digged in the dark.
Slithered in the moon's eclipse.
Ditch, delivered by a drab.
Make the gruel thick and slab.
Add thereto a tiger's children for the ingredients of our cauldron.
Double, double toil and trouble.
Fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Cool it with a baboon's blood.
Then the charm is firm and good.